Hey guys, Wreck-It Ralph here. Today, Nature Cat and his friends are celebrating Thanksgiving, so I hope you enjoy the show.
And done. Man, oh man, look at that nice tablecloth that my Granny Bunny gave me. And look at how neat I set the table. I think this is going to be the best Thanksgiving ever. Ba-bam!
Daisy! Guess what? It's Thanksgiving!
I know, Nature Cat. I can't wait to celebrate Thanksgiving and give thanks for all the nice things, people, and places in our lives.
Wow, Daisy! Is that Thanksgiving dinner I smell?
Nah, must be one of my new Thanksgiving dinner scented candles. I don't know how they made those, but it's a popular candle item.
I thought it was real Thanksgiving dinner.
Sorry, Nature Cat. This year, money's hard to come by. And, well, you wouldn't believe the huge line just to check out at the grocery store to get all of your Thanksgiving food items. So I'm having Squeaks do DoorDash. Hey, Squeaks, how's it going on DoorDash? Looking good, Days. I already finished ordering.
But what's going to be for our Thanksgiving dinner?
Don't worry, Nature Cat. I have it all under control. Sure, it may not be the same Thanksgiving dinner we have every year. I decided to do something a little different today and make do with what we got and what we needed to spend on. And that's not the end. No. I decided to invite Ronald and Houston to Thanksgiving dinner.
Ronald.
What's wrong, Nature Cat? Don't you want Ronald to have Thanksgiving dinner with us?
Why would you invite Ronald? He's going to ruin everything. I just know it.
Come on, Nature Cat. Show him some grace. Everybody needs grace every now and then. Besides, it'll be fun.
Well, okay. By the way, where's Hal? Over here, Nature Cat. I'm working on the invitation for both Ronald and Houston. Hey, Squeaks.
Yes, Hal?
Look, it's nothing personal, but how do you spell Houston? Thanks, Squeaks. And done. Hey, Daisy, I'm ready to mail it to them.
You can't mail it to them. Don't people get mail a few days after you mail it?
I'm sure it will be fine, Daisy.
Okay, if you say so. Come on, Nature Cat. We better get things ready for the dinner. You go ahead and get the food once DoorDash delivers them, and I'll get the rest of the kitchen ready.
You can count on me, Daisy.
Oh, yeah, and I'll let Ronald and Houston in.
And I'll send them their invitation. You know, I heard that the post office is doing speedy mailing around this time of year.
Well, I don't know about that, but you could try.
You're right, Daisy. I could try. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I can't wait for Thanksgiving dinner and for Ronald and Houston to come. This is going to be the best Thanksgiving ever. I hope so, Hal. I hope so. 1 hour later. What's this? A letter? For me? Oh wait, it's for you too. Let's see what it says. Well, what does it say? It says, Dear Houston and Ronald, you are invited over for Thanksgiving dinner. Please come around 6 o'clock. Signed, Daisy, and Nature Cat, Squeaks, and Hal. Thanksgiving dinner? This is a Nature Cat thing. I don't see why I have to come. On the contrary, sir, it will probably be a nice thing they are doing to us. Wait, it is a nice thing they are doing to us. But what about that grooming appointment I had? It's handsome time for the Ronald. Actually, it's Thanksgiving. Your grooming appointment is the day after Thanksgiving. This is so unfair. But if they don't mind, maybe I should come. There's probably gonna be a great Thanksgiving dinner with turkey and stuffing and pumpkin pie and all that. Well, sir, we'll just have to wait and see. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! I can't wait to have Thanksgiving dinner. When can we eat, Daisy? When?
Just as soon as the food comes, and as soon as Ronald and Houston come. I hope I've got the right address for DoorDash to bring our food. Ding dong! Oh, that must be them right now. I'll go get the door. Oh, yeah, the food is here. Hey, guys, I brought the food.
Excellent job, Squeak.
Thanks, Nature Cat. I thought so myself. Oh, yeah. This food is perfect for our Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And it won't be long until Ronald and Houston show up. Ding dong! Oh, that must be them right now. I'll go get the door. Daisy, you set the table. But I want to help set the table, Nature Cat.
I'll tell you this. Nature Cat, you go let Ronald and Houston in while the rest of us set the table.
Great plan, Daisy. Oh, hello, Nature Cat. Hello, Ronald. I didn't see why I had to come. I know why. Because we're guests. We were allowed to come to this party. It's not actually a party. It's more like a dinner, but nice and very well put, Houston. Well, what are you waiting for? Aren't you gonna come in? Is that Thanksgiving dinner I smell? Out of my way.
Okay, guys, dinner is served. Right, everyone come to the table.
Are we going to have a prayer?
A prayer?
Yes, it's Thanksgiving, you know. Shouldn't we have a prayer?
Sure. Why don't you say the prayer, Nature Cat?
Me? Well, gee, Daisy, I don't even know what to say.
Just say thanks to God for all that is provided for us.
Okay, here goes. We thank God for all that He has provided us with. Friends, family, Thanksgiving dinner, everything. And we also thank God for this opportunity to celebrate Thanksgiving together. Amen. Amen. Boy, that was a really good prayer, Nature Cat.
Okay, everybody, let's eat. I think you're going to love this Thanksgiving dinner.
What kind of a dinner is this?
What we have here is leftover pizza, leftover French fries, peanut butter, pretzels, grapes, bananas, and toast. What's wrong, Ronald? Don't you like it?
I thought this was going to be an authentic Thanksgiving dinner.
Well, what's wrong with it?
Where's the turkey? Where's the mashed potatoes? Where's the stuffing and cranberry sauce? And maybe, just maybe, where is the pumpkin pie?
I'm sorry, Ronald, but we didn't have a lot of payment. We had to live with what we've got and what we've ordered from DoorDash.
Ugh, that's it. I should have never gone on this Thanksgiving dinner. I'm out of here.
But,
Don't worry, Daisy. We could still have our Thanksgiving dinner.
But this was supposed to be special. And Ronald doesn't like the food, and I wanted everybody to be together this Thanksgiving. I think I need some time to myself.
Oh, no. Daisy's sad. Maybe I should go and cheer her up. Go ahead, Hal. I wouldn't care for the least about Ronald.
The Nature Cat, he didn't even know how to be thankful.
Affirmative, ma'am. I think someone needs to tell him about Thanksgiving.
And how to be thankful. You're right, Houston. I'll go talk to him.
You know, Houston, maybe we should wait. I think this Thanksgiving dinner would go to waste if it was just the two of us eating it. Affirmative, sir. We shall wait.
Hey, Ronald, we need to talk.
Talk about what? There's no way I'm going to eat that thing that they call Thanksgiving dinner.
You may not like the Thanksgiving dinner, but you've got lots to be thankful for.
I don't even know what being thankful is.
Thanksgiving is a time for being thankful for what you have and for the many blessings God has provided us with. Have you ever heard about the first Thanksgiving?
Yeah, but I wasn't paying attention to the whole thing. All I know is that these people called the Pilgrims sailed on the Mayflower to find new land.
But that's not all. They had their first Thanksgiving with the Native Americans. And they prayed and thanked God for all the blessings they have and that He was there to help them find new land. What you were saying was not very thankful-like. I think you need to apologize to Daisy. Thanksgiving's also a time to be with your family. You must be grateful to have a family of friends right here.
Well, yes, You're right, Squeaks. I'll go talk to Daisy.
And I'll go with you.
Aw, don't worry, Daisy. Ronald didn't mean what he said.
I know how. All I wanted was to have a nice Thanksgiving dinner with my friends. And now that's not going to happen. Maybe Nature Cat is right. He is ruining everything.
But Daisy, why don't you give Ronald some grace like you said to Nature Cat earlier? Everybody needs grace.
Well, I guess you're right. But what can I do? Ronald doesn't even like the food.
How do you know? He must have never tried it.
He just doesn't think it's a good Thanksgiving dinner.
You did your best, Daisy. Sometimes you never know how people are going to react.
I know. I just wish things will turn out okay.
Hey, Daisy! Daisy! Look, Daisy, I'm sorry for the way I acted when dinner was being served. I now know that Thanksgiving is a time to be thankful. And do you know what I'm thankful for?
What?
I'm thankful for you and Squeaks and Howl and Nature Cat and sure, maybe Houston too.
Oh, Ronald, you know how to make a bunny feel better.
Thanks, Daisy. Now come on, let's see if we can have some of those leftover fries you've been serving.
Sure thing, Ronald. You know what? I think this is going to be the best Thanksgiving ever.
I don't know about you guys, but you were right. That food is yummy, no matter what it is.
Well, I'm glad you liked it, Ronald, and I'm glad that we can all be together for Thanksgiving. I think that's my favorite part of Thanksgiving.
Ring, 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 ring.
Oh, that's my phone. Hold on for a minute. Hello? It's for you, Nature Cat.
Hello?
Happy Thanksgiving, bro.
Gwendolyn, I didn't expect you to call.
I just wanted to wish my brother a happy Thanksgiving, and I've got some great news.
Ooh, what is it? Tell me.
I was wondering if you'd love to come to the park with me. All of the family is there, and we're going to have Thanksgiving dessert.
You better believe I'll be there, sis. And can I bring my friends along?
Sure you can. The more the merrier.
Great. Thanks, Gwendolyn.
No problem. See you in an hour. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you too. That was my sister, Gwendolyn. My whole family is going to Sunset Park for a Thanksgiving dessert. We'll get to see fireflies and see the moon and stargaze.
Man, oh man, that all sounds like fun. I want to go.
Me too also. Please take us, Nature Cat. Please, please, please. You can all go. Now come on. To Sunset Park. Onward and yonward. Yay!
Thanks for watching. We hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.
If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button.
And hit that subscribe button.
I hope you all have a Merry Thanksgiving.
Don't you mean Happy Thanksgiving?
I decided to call it Merry because it was. See you later. Tally ho!